Okay, so this is my thought. I've been watching the birds. Now I have a lot of the black red wing birds, and I have a lot of the brown cow head birds. So I went to Birds Unlimited and I bought safflowers, and it said that that will, deteriorate them from eating all the food. So they're spitting out the freaking peanuts. I put peanuts in there and safflowers. And this one, and that one, it just has safflowers. I haven't put that one back out. That one has just a mix that I'm going to get rid of because they like it. They overpower all the other birds anyways. And then this one. And they're all on the ground too. So I think the two that I saw, they're like, what the heck is going on here? Yeah, that's what they're doing. And they left. Oops. Oh, wow. I'll give them half my yard. I'll feed them over there. But they were just not letting the chickadees eat, the goldfinch eat, the sparrows eat. It was crazy. I'm getting their feeding down too. They come at 4 o'clock to eat. The only thing I haven't seen is the blue jay. We'll see if I hear him at 7 o'clock looking for food outside my work window.